Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Smart TV, and in today's video I will show you on how to enable voice command or voice control of Google Assistant on your Smart TV. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you go ahead and navigate to your settings on your Smart TV. Click on OK on the setting icon right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to account and sign in. Click on OK. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to select the particular Google account you want to use. Click on OK. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to Google Assistant right here. Click on OK. Next thing you want to do, you have Google Assistant with the Google account. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on OK to turn on voice command. Once you turn on voice command, you can now use your Google AI Assistant. So I'm going to go ahead now and then I'll go ahead and go back to my home page right here and activate my Google Assistant. Hey Google, can you please tell me how to navigate to Netflix? It's that simple. It takes me to YouTube video where I can watch how to navigate Smart TV. Hey Google, can you please take me to Netflix? In a few seconds, it takes me to Netflix profile. Then here, I can decide to choose Netflix for kids or Netflix for adults. It's that simple. So I can go ahead and click on, hey Google, can you please take me to the home page of my Smart TV? It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.